You did that. You finished it. You did that and diminished it. Ah, I'm a rapper now. Yeah. Can't back me down. Yeah. I got the flow. Oh, y'all got to go. Eh. No, I'm just playing. All right, I'm all right. What's up, y'all? So don't say anything about me being in a hoodie in my house, but my stuff, y'all, if y'all see my wig in the background, I just took it off. Your girl gotta switch up her hair, but I wanted to and y'all like my new glasses? I got me some cute clear glasses, cute or whatever. Anyway, so I figured that you guys would probably want to see me do, hold on, I need to figure out where to put you guys. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna look at my wig, go look at my curtains, got a little makeup on it. Anyway, so y'all, we have my room on the floor. I messed this up. So I just got all my stuff to make my vision board. Let me show y'all real quick. And I'm so hyped because I have this printer that my mom gave me, and it actually prints pictures. Like, oh my god, I love that. So anyway, I went onto Amazon and I got like a vision board kit, and it came with 2 boards, which I didn't mind. I kind of like the idea of that because I didn't want my vision board to be like really big or anything like that. I like the small, it's cute. I'm gonna put it up on my wall. I don't know where yet, probably on this wall here. But yeah, everything will be in the description so you guys know how much it is, where, you know, what exactly, what I got, all that good stuff. So anyway, this is one of the boards. Isn't this cute? And it comes in different colors. It comes in black and in wood, like the brown wood. And then it has these in it. These are the pins and stuff. I ordered my own pins because I didn't want these. Like, they're brown, like they're like, let me open it and show y'all. All right, here, see, they're like these brown looking ball things or whatever. And it's so funny because I'm supposed to do a vision board with my cousin. We already started our vision board a while back, but like, she lives kind of far. Your girl don't got her car anymore. It's cold, and then plus on top of that, I'm bougie since driving. Like, I don't like taking the bus, but if I do gotta take the bus, it's not gonna be far. Like, I'm gonna take it like 15 minutes away. But anyway, so I don't want to use those because they're just not cute to me. I didn't like that, so I ordered these pins here. They're clear and they look like, hold on, can y'all see that? They're flowers. So cute. I love it. So I told myself that I was definitely gonna vlog this and show you guys, or record this so you guys can do a vision board with me if you want, or just watch me do my vision board. It is 2022, started a new year, and I just need to stay focused. And that reminds me, as I'm making this video, I'm about to put in for my vision board something about YouTube because I want to be more consistent with YouTube. And speaking of that, how I'm going to put in YouTube, the question is, how am I going to do that? Y'all, I'm so hyped because as I was saying about this printer that my mom gave me, it prints pictures. So let me show y'all. I just printed this picture. Look at that. I just printed this picture from the printer. It's an HP printer, and before 4520. But yeah, anyway, so I'm so hyped. So what I'm gonna do is print pictures. I'm gonna print like all the things that I want. I want this car so bad. It's a white Rogue, Nissan Rogue. I'm gonna put that on the vision board. I'm gonna put everything that I want to work towards, all the things that I want to get and all that good stuff. And the reason that I'm putting that girl that I just showed you guys is because I feel like in that picture, it's a black girl, you know, and I see her as upkeeping herself. Her makeup is done, her hair, she has that glossy skin, like she looks really good, well taken care of, you know what I mean? Eyebrows plugged, like, and that's what I want to be. Like, this is not it right now, but it's okay because I just took my wig off. But I just want to like self-care, and then I'm gonna go in more depth about that by putting like picture of someone in a tub or something like that. Like y'all gonna see. So what I'm gonna do is keep searching for pictures on my phone, because that is how I am doing it. And right now I'm looking for like, you know, like vacation pictures. Hold on, can y'all see that? I'm looking for like vacation pictures and stuff, because I want to put in like going places and stuff like that. I want to focus on upkeeping my business, just like doing more for my business, promoting it, sharing it with the world, and just creating content for it. I want to do more self-care. I want to get a car. I want to get an apartment. I do want to get married and all that good stuff. But I don't think that I'm gonna put that yet. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. As I go, we're gonna figure out what it is that I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna put. But for now, you know. Y'all, excuse my floor. My floor is dirty. Like, don't say nothing like that's disrespectful when y'all do all that. Like, it's not your room, it's my room. And I did just sleep in mine, but I pulled out this old, no, it's not. I pulled out this dusty ass present from under my bed. So yeah, baby, I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's probably gonna be more of a sped up thing, because I don't know, I just want to do this and enjoy myself. Y'all, look, I have these Mean Girls stickers from when I got my my Mean Girls case for my MacBook. Let me show y'all. It's right here. I think it's so cute. I gotta show y'all what the case look like. I'll show y'all the front. This is the front. This is the case for my my MacBook. Ain't that cute? Y'all probably like, why say Tiffany C if your channel name is Tiffany V? All right, that's because if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Maybe you should subscribe so you can find out. But anyway, yeah, like, nah, I thought I was gonna put some of these pictures, but no. And I'm sorry, but most of these pictures are like white girls. Whatever. Anyway, I'm going to start making my vision board, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video as you watch it. Definitely subscribe to my channel, become a part of Tiffany V family. We hella sweet over here, no cavities. And I know that sounds corny, but I'm gonna fix it. This is so weird, talking to a camera. Nobody's here. I'm just like really talking to myself. This is so weird. Alrighty, let's get started. long, so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I'm so proud of how it looks right now. I want to cut out some more things so that I can like fill these spaces in. I love the little flower thumbtacks. They don't go in all the way though. They kind of, trying to show y'all, see, they kind of stick out, but that's totally fine with me. It just looks so good so far. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love it. So I'll be back, y'all, and we gonna finish this. Well, I'll probably just come back with the finished product, and yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm finished, and this is what it's looking like. Hopefully y'all can see all of that. It looks pretty clear to me, but isn't it cute? I love it. And it's nothing crazy. It's like, I mean, everything in this world is reachable for everyone on this planet. We all get the same 24 hours. And because I was gonna say like, oh, I didn't put anything crazy on there, like something that's really out of my reach or anything like that. But I mean, are there things really out of our reach? Like, nah, I wouldn't put a limit on what anyone can do. So this is my vision board. I love it. It's my first one. I made it in the peace and quiet. Like, there's no noise, nothing. It's silent. I just got creative on my own. I did look on Pinterest to like get ideas of other people's vision boards, and you know, I know what kind of goals I want to head for. I kind of feel like I should print like business somewhere, but I feel like, should I say? Nah, I'm gonna print business. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. So this is what I did, because the business was like really big. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my stepdad in the background. But I decided to put business right here. I had printed this and it was just really big, and I don't like, see, I don't want to cover a lot of, I don't want to cover any of these things, but I want the most important parts to be seen, you know. So I do have another board. These are ones that I ended up not using, but for now I don't want to put up another one. I just want to take my time. Right now I have love in my life, but you know, put the hearts to, you know, just to like make me feel like I'm just still keeping that love, you know, just manifesting that love. So I have the hearts around there, obviously self-care, and honestly self-care is in the middle, because I feel like with everything else that I want in life, or that I want to manifest this year, self-care, it's all about self-care. Like everything that I want in life, it's all about self-care. Like to have your own place, to have your own car. I mean, I've had my own car and whatnot, but you know the vibes. To live a healthier life, to be consistent, gain them views. See the camera there, you know what I'm saying? More money. As you can see, money is everywhere on my vision board. As I said, I love flowers. They're always just fresh and new, and they smell so good. And like the way that it feels, I want to continue to manifest that feeling, so that's why it's on my vision board. The butterfly symbolizes a new beginning. I actually have a butterfly tatted on me. That was my first tattoo, my daughter's name, because she's a new beginning in my life. But yeah, they symbolize new beginnings. So yeah, and then y'all know girl boss, all of that good stuff, you know. So I'm proud of my vision board. I love it. This is cute. Business right there. So yeah, I'm gonna hang it up on my wall and be done. Let me pick up the camera so y'all can see me. I look like such an old lady right now, but it's all right. Y'all don't listen. I've been in the kitchen slaving and cooking, and I'm about to go finish doing that. But y'all, my glasses are new. I look like an old lady, but it's whatever. Anyway, y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you make a vision board as well. I feel like it's really good, especially if you like want to not forget what your goals are and what you want to do in life. And it's like every time like you're down or something, or you just feel like giving up, you have this vision board to look back on to see like what you're really working towards. Like, what are you going hard for? Like, what you gonna be not giving up. Like, don't give up. Like, you're gonna see this every day. So definitely put it somewhere where you can see it and make sure that it's positive. And when you're making it, definitely just throw all good vibes while you're making it, and just think happy thoughts and all that good stuff. I didn't get to put the vacation thing like I wanted, because I wanted to put like vacation, travel or whatever, but it's totally okay. I feel like everything on this board is like what I want to work towards, to like be able to do stuff like that, vacation and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye. You did that. You did that. You finished it. You did that and diminished it. Ah, I'm a rapper now. Yeah, can't back me down. Yeah, I got the flow. Oh, y'all got to go. No, I'm just playing. All right, I'm all right.